Good evening, Valpo. I'm Storm Meteorologist Ruzanski. Today's weather forecast for February 23rd, 2017. Some headlines. Severe storms are going to make their return tomorrow. We'll talk about that in just a second. Winter is going to make a return this weekend. And some windy conditions today, which has kept the temperatures down. That will then ignite some of the storms coming tomorrow. Now here's the SPC, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for tomorrow. This is again for Friday. We're in the marginal risk, that's the green. The yellow is that slight severe category, the orange being the enhanced. Now earlier this morning, the original outlook for Friday came out and it was actually further off to the west. That has since pushed eastward. So VUSIT, our Valparaiso University Storm Intercept team, they have a code yellow scheduled for this evening. They'll be discussing what the conditions are going to be like tomorrow. It's looking right now they might be heading due east. Yesterday it was looking like they'd be heading southeast. More to come on that and follow them on social media. We'll also be talking about it here on VUTV. But as far as the current conditions are right now, we're a lot colder than we were 24 hours ago. There's about a 20-degree temperature departure from yesterday. Yesterday our highs were up in the 60s. Today right now we're only sitting at about 40, Chicago up at 39. There's the sharp demarcation line with the warmer, greener temps. Those are the 50s, 40s. Over to the north and west, blues, that's the 40 degrees and less sort of cutoff. So there's a very distinct cold front that's going to be pushing through kind of towards tomorrow. Now, I mean, these are for Saturday morning. That's after our storm system moves through on Friday. Behind that, of course, though, winter's going to be making a return. I mean, look at that. Temperatures in just the 20s. Now we're starting to go, here's Sunday, we're looking at like 40 degrees for Valparaiso. Still, though, not what we've seen over the past couple of days where temperatures have just been unseasonably warm. These are a closer look here at the future temperatures. Again, so this is now Friday. We're a little bit warmer, 49, 54, 56, but then there's where we start to shift. You see that blue come in from the north and the west. That's really going to take over the region as, of course, winter makes a comeback. Now, speaking of winter making a comeback, let's talk about the future radar and see how this is actually going to play out. So we're starting up here Thursday tonight. Put this in motion. Now you see all that rain, that sort of warm front style precipitation makes its way across the area tonight into tomorrow morning. A linear sort of event sets up in over the Indiana-Ohio Valley. That's going to bring some severe storms tomorrow. But look at that on the back end, the white and blue. That's the snow. That's winter making a return. For northern Illinois, you could see some light dusting totals. Further north and west of there, up near Minnesota, they have some winter storm warnings issued right now for them. For Valparaiso, though, just maybe some lake effect coming off of Lake Michigan. Probably not more than just a dusting. Behind that, clear skies, high pressure builds in the region. However, though, temperatures are going to be much colder. For today, we had a high of 53, although right now we're only sitting at about 40 degrees. Tonight, low of 43, chance of rain. That's really going to go into the morning hours when we start to see that system pull closer towards the region. Going to the next couple of days, tomorrow, our high temperatures right back to where we were yesterday. High of 67 on Friday. Severe thunderstorms, of course, there is that chance for severe, especially further east of Valparaiso. The weekend temperatures take a massive plummet on Saturday, 33. That's an over 30-degree temperature drop. Sunday, a little bit warmer. However, though, we have got clear skies. Winter sticks around until mid next week, where we potentially could see 60-degree plus on Tuesday.